In the matter of MS RK Transport Company versus MS Bharat Aluminium Company Limited, Supreme Court dismissed the appeal and said that respondent's application under Section 34, which was filed on 11/7/2022, that is next working day of court, must be considered as being filed within the limitation period. Consequently, there was no delay in filing application and sufficient cause need not be shown for condonation of delay. High Court therefore rightly allowed Section 37 appeal and held that respondent Section 34 application was filed within the limitation period. The present appeal arose out of an order of Chhattisgarh High Court dated 27 September 2024 by which it allowed respondents appeal under Section 37 of Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 and held respondents application under Section 34 as being filed within the limitation period. Court said that we do not wish to interfere with High Court's direction to stay the execution of pending recovery till matter is adjudicated on merit, since the same is interim in nature and appellant has already withdrawn 50% of arbitral sum that was deposited by the respondent. The law on applicability of Limitation Act to Section 34 proceedings has been summarized in a decision in My Preferred Transformation and Hospitality Private Limited versus Faridabad Implements Private Limited. It is amply clear it was stated that there is no wholesale exclusion of provisions of the Limitation Act in calculating period of limitation under Section 34(3). Rather, each provision's applicability has been individually tested by the court on case-to-case basis based on language and purpose of specific provision in the Limitation Act, language of Section 34(3) of ACA and the scheme and object of the ACA. Applicability of Section 12 of Limitation Act was in issue in present case, which states exclusion of time in legal proceedings in computing the period of limitation for any suit, appeal or application the day from which such period is to be reckoned shall be excluded. In decision in State of West Bengal versus Rajpath Contractors and Engineers Limited, the court applied Section 12(1) while calculating the limitation period of 3 months under Section 34(3). There is nothing in statutory language or scheme of Section 34(3) that is contraindicative that Section 12(1) does not apply.